It's a big world out there. But it's the small things that matter most.
Come on, let's go!
Meet DJI Osmo Nano, our most portable camera ever. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, Nano allows you to capture remarkable sharp images in vivid detail.
Yo, check this out. Dude, this glacier out here is absolutely incredible.
Capture every moment with strong low light capability and high dynamic range. And see it all with 143-degree field of view.
That's a big one.
When your adventure gets a little bumpy,
This bridge is gnarly.
Nano's advanced stabilization keeps your footage smooth by eliminating shakes and jitters. The dual-sided magnetic design makes mounting easier than ever.
All right, let's go drive this thing.
Get superior sound with Osmo Audio direct microphone connection.
This car feels amazing.
What do you think we're gonna see, sweetie? Oh my goodness!
Waterproof up to 10 meters, Osmo Nano is ready for any adventure.
This is cool.
We're going in.
Level things out with Nano's horizon balancing and capture every detail with up to 120 frames per second in full 4K.
So sick.
See a billion colors with 10-bit color and D-Log M. Ready when you are. Simply tap to start auto recording with Osmo Nano. Enjoy up to 200 minutes of uninterrupted shooting on one charge. Running short on time? Get 80% charged in just 20 minutes. Switch between horizontal and vertical shooting with ease. Nano's Vision Dock serves as a high-quality display, a remote photo trigger, and a high-speed file transfer hub.
Come on, team. Let's go. Woo. Testing out the new camera. This thing is legit.